We know how important it is to understand the health of your entire state without having to rely on the perfect alerting strategy, which we all know doesn't exist. That's why we're breaking down silos to bring you all your telemetry data in the same place. Through statistical analysis, New Relic Lookout evaluates any signal to provide real-time visibility into changes across all your accounts and all of your telemetry data. With no configuration, your attention is drawn to what has changed the most, with size indicating magnitude and color indicating the amount of change. Let's look at how to find and diagnose an issue with New Relic Lookout. The default shows your application's golden signals, and there's clearly something happening. From the size of the circle and how dark purple it is, it looks like response time is way up, and it looks like the plan service is the biggest issue. Let's dig in. Yep. According to the performance screen, this is over 200% slower than normal. You can see the yellow and red areas. The yellow is a warning and the pink-red is a critical violation. And because we're using New Relic Lookout, we've seen this issue begin a full 10 minutes before anyone was even alerted, giving us that much more time to dig in and fix the issue. So let's do just that. If the issue were due to an external service, it would be here. But it looks like there isn't anything unusual. Let's take a look at the top database applications. This uptick here aligns with the time of the slowdown. And it looks like the issue has something to do with the MySQL database. See these green lines? These are deployments. And the deployment optimizing the database query happened exactly when this started. At this second green line, the team tried a hotfix, but it looks like it didn't work. And here, they've rolled back the changes. In a matter of minutes, we've seen something go wrong, tracked it down to the database, and finally to the human intervention that was the underlying cause. Now, let's say that this had been a past issue we heard about later. Then we search for it in the Abnormal History tab, which would give us a list of previous times something odd happened. We can dig into those causes with the same analysis I just showed you, or use correlations to see other affected applications. New Relic error profiles show us if all or most of the new errors share common properties like being isolated to one region account or user. Or we can jump in and explore distributed traces. And remember, you can explore any signal in your telemetry data, so you can really focus on what interests you. You can also customize and share those views. New Relic Lookout shows you changes in your signals across your entire stack without any configuration. It breaks down silos, finds correlations across different domains, and surfaces any alerting gaps, blind spots, and unknown relationships. So you can spot issues faster and resolve them faster than ever before. Thank you for watching.